Hi everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel for the first time. Today I am going to do more red, white, and blue paintings similar to this one, which I did on July 4th, 2022, 4th of July, Independence Day in the United States. This one was, let me remember. I think this is a ring pour, yes, traveling ring pour. I did in a U. Kind of got weird with all the silver, and the silver had silicone in it, which is why it's so bubbly, because I used up some old stuff. It's very shiny because it has polyacrylic on it. I had the other one, if you saw that video, I don't remember which number it is. Put it right there. I gave it to my mom for her birthday, which was a few weeks ago. So, and I've said in other videos, I'm planning on selling paintings in a show in my neighborhood in September. So I thought people might like slightly patriotic. I mean, or they just like the color scheme, and it worked pretty well last time. So I'm going to see what I can do today. Although, as I've said before, it is not always easy to recreate something you've liked, so we'll see how it goes. I have prepared canvases, so this is kind of also a bulk pour event. This might be two videos. So I've got two canvases from Arteza, another hexagon. That's, you know, if you look at these, the wood is like, who knows what kind of wood it is. This is more of a particle. I think they form this. So this is really hard, and I don't bother to tape my circle canvases because I would be cutting the tape forever. So I said, they'll just get messy. Straight lines, easy. And then two 9x12s. These are definitely cheapy canvases. This one's already chipped on the edge, so that's great. So this is also like lower price point. I also liked how I did the hexagons before, a kind of traveling dirty pour. So we'll see. So I have my 9-ounce cup. Here's my paint colors. I have the same colors as before, Parchment. So these are all kind of sponsored, not sponsored, God no. A lot of Liquitex paints today. Parchment, Silver, finally almost done with my 8.45 ounce tube of silver. Phthalocyanine Blue, and Cadmium Red Deep. Very nice, rich red. I like the consistency, and I'm throwing in, what's this? This is not Liquitex. This is Amsterdam, Prussian blue hue, Prussian blue phthalo, I think. It's a little almost greener gray. I thought that'd be, to compare to the blue. Does that look like, you can see how gray that is? We'll see. So the point is, you need to alternate and just separate your solids. And I'm not using white because that always combines and makes pink. Like if I had white and red, obviously pink. So I think I might alternate, or maybe just do one with this blue and one with that blue. Well, we shall see. And let's do this one first, the crappy one, to see how it goes. I'm gonna layer and then do, well, we'll see. I am going to do some silicone in a silver. So I put some silver in a little sippy cup. I'm gonna add my silicone, which I use is coconut milk by OGX brand. It's actually hair serum, but it has the dimethicone, I think, is what the silicone is. So I'm just gonna do 2 squirts and then stir it around to kind of separate it. And so maybe I'll do some with it and some without it. All right, let's layer for a ring pour. That's kind of thin. What did I say? Oh, I didn't put any gloves on. Whatever. No gloves. There's my group. Yeah, let's do a ring pour this way. I like the paper cups because you can make a nice point. Okay. Something I'm working on is kind of releasing the same amount of paint. So it gets the same width. So, oh, there's the silicone. And you can kind of do this. Some people, let's try this. Double back. Ooh. Oh, it's almost just the right amount. All right, I put gloves on. Let's tilt. I don't see bubbles to torch. Usually do that at the end. So I want to make sure so I don't lose my lines. Tilt carefully. People use corner catchers. I didn't have one ready. These look like eyeballs. You see the eyeballs? Creepy. This has a lot of red in it. So sections I don't like, you can kind of tilt off. But sometimes you lose the sections you do like. And, okay, keep an idea where the paint, the weight of the paint is, and that's where it's gonna go. If you don't want to lose it. This is looking weird. Like a caterpillar? Remember, it's art. But I'm always, when you go back and watch, when I go back and watch the videos, my own videos, I'm always surprised how different it looks from when you first pour it to when it's finished. Sometimes I wish it hadn't changed so much. This looks more like Captain America than like USA. That's okay. That's another demographic. Person to appeal to, and they can just a lot of paint. So let's see, pull that back so it's a little more lined up. Also a little spacey. I'm gonna lose some of that red, I hope, at the end. Top this part. It's hardly even any silver. Or maybe it looks like Pepsi. It looks like a Pepsi can. And okay, after a while I have to stop tilting because the paint's gonna run together. Pop it, you'll get a lot of white little pinpricks. Torch the bubbles. Not that many bubbles because I let the paint sit a little bit. And then there's a few corners to touch up, and then I will scrape. Okay, it's still moving, but I don't want it to move, so I'm gonna put it over on my shelf. So here's what it looked like after it dried. I think the paint in the middle of the canvas ran to one side while it was drying because my drying surface wasn't level. But I think the top and the bottom still stayed the same. Looks kind of crazy. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. Here's the side-by-side of when I was just finished. Thanks for watching.